Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In this video I am going to compare Harrier and Creta. I am going to comparing high-end variants. The most important specification in SUVs is ground clearance. In Creta 190mm and in Harrier 205mm. And coming to dimensions, length 4300mm with 1790mm, height 1635mm and wheelbase 2610mm. And in Harrier, length 4598mm with 1894mm, height 1706mm and wheelbase 2741mm. And coming to boot space, in Creta 433 liters and in Harrier 425 liters. For front tire they are providing disc brakes, and for rear brake also they are providing disc brakes, and steering type is electric. In Harrier about tires is common but steering type is hydraulic. And now I am going to compare some important specifications in this car. Starting from 20.66 lakhs onwards, its engine capacity is 1493cc in 4 cylinders. It is available in both petrol and diesel, and it is available in both manual and automatic transmission. Its mileage is 18.5 km per liter and it's coming with BS6 emission. Driving range is 925 km and it's coming with 6 airbags. Automatic climate control is available and air purifier is also available. It is starting from 20.25 lakhs onwards. Its engine capacity is 1956cc and in 4 cylinders. It's available in only in diesel and it's available in both manual and automatic transmission. Its mileage is 14.63 km per liter. It's coming with BS6 emission. Driving range is 731.5 km and it's coming with 6 airbags. Automatic climate control is available but no air purifier. In Creta trio beam LED lamps and in Harrier xenon HD projector lamps. This is both interior view of cars. And this is dashboard of both cars. And this is glow box of both cars. And their USB charger is available in both cars. Hyundai providing Bose speakers and Tata providing JBL speakers. Wireless charger is available in Creta but no wireless charger in Harrier. 7-speed dual clutch transmission is available. Hyundai Motor has developed 7-speed dual clutch transmission. A 7-speed dual clutch transmission makes sporty driving performance. The new intelligent variable transmissions continues shift to provide superior efficiency over automatic transmission. It does this by modulating the pressure of the pulley system is the transmission adjusting pressure based on the input of the driver and driver conditions. Tire pressure monitoring system is available, means it reports real-time tire pressure information to the driver of the vehicle. either via a pictorial display or a simple low pressure warning light. Bluelink is an app. We can control some features by using that app like a remote. Like some of these features are not seen in Harrier. Brake assist is available in Harrier. And hill descent control is available in Harrier. So these are some features which are missing in Creta and remaining are common.
Open sunroof.
In Harrier, voice command is not available. And now I would like to show the interior view of the both cars. So this is my first comparison video, and comment your favorite car from this video. Thank you for watching my video and subscribe my channel and press bell icon to get my notifications of my uploads.